Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to supercharge your TradingView charts by adding not just one but multiple exponential moving averages, EMAs, then you're absolutely in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and customize multiple EMAs in TradingView, giving you a truly powerful tool for spotting trends and making smarter trading decisions. Let's get started. First things first, let's open up your TradingView chart. We're going to add some EMAs, and the place to start is by clicking on Indicators at the top of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. You've got a huge library of indicators at your fingertips, but don't let that overwhelm you. Simply click on that search bar and type in multiple EMA. Now you'll probably notice there are a ton of results. Different creators have published their own versions, which gives you some flexibility. Take a moment to look through the selection. You might see scripts with names like triple EMA, multi-EMA, or even custom EMA ribbon. The important thing here is to pick one that you feel comfortable with. Maybe it has a clean visual style or offers the number of EMAs you want to plot. If you're not sure, just select the one that looks the simplest. Remember, you can always remove it and try another if you change your mind later, so don't stress too much about picking the perfect one on your first try. Once you've added your chosen multiple EMA indicator, you'll see new lines appear on your chart, but we're not done yet. This is where you really make it your own. Go ahead and open up the settings for the EMA indicator you just added. Usually you can find this by hovering over the indicator's name, then clicking on the little gear icon. Inside these settings, you'll see options to change the length or period for each EMA. This just means how many candles or data points the calculation uses. For example, a 20-period EMA will react more quickly to price movements than, say, a 100-period EMA, which is smoother and slower. Adjusting the lengths lets you tailor the indicator to your trading style. Maybe you want to track short-term momentum and long-term trends at the same time. Go ahead and play around here. If you're following a specific strategy, enter those values. If you're exploring, try setting different periods and watch how the lines change on your chart. Once your lengths are set, let's add a little personality. Still in those settings, you can also tweak the color of each EMA line. It might seem like a small step, but it makes a huge asterisk difference, especially if you want to quickly spot which EMA is which at a glance. Maybe use a bright color for your fast EMA, a cool blue for medium, and a neutral tone for the slowest one. Don't be shy here, clear visuals help prevent those momentary "wait, which line was that again?" moments during fast-paced trading. And that's it. The beautiful part is you can repeat this process. Add more multiple EMA indicators, adjust their settings, and really make your chart as detailed or as simple as you need. Whether you prefer just two lines or want to create a whole rainbow EMA ribbon, TradingView gives you endless customization options. So with just a few clicks and some quick adjustments, you've got a pro-level, multi-EMA setup right at your fingertips. If any part of this felt a bit tricky, don't worry. Replay this video, take your time, and remember, it's all about finding what feels best for your own trading routine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other questions about setting up indicators in TradingView, drop them in the comments below. I check every one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.